Hi, welcome to Dolly Doovers. My name is Renee Galvin, and I'm going to be showing you what I've been working on the past couple of weeks. These are our weekly do-overs. First up was Maleficent. I did her out of a little sister, and she has a custom-made staff with her little crow pet. This one was very special. He was a dedication to a family member that passed away. This is Tafiti from Moana, and I made a custom base for her so she could stand up in her water. This is a cute little Chick-Fil-A cow. He turned out so much better than I planned. As always, I love to do the look-alike dolls, and so this is one of the look-alikes I worked on this week. The next two are little sisters that actually go with big sisters that I've done previous, and you can find those on previous videos. This is the Toys R Us Jeffrey giraffe, and then the next one is the Ronald McDonald bite-sized little sister, complete with her cute little hamburger. This is my final one for this week, and it's Princess Leia with her cute little Yoda doll for May the 4th. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to find more of my dolls, you can find them on Instagram at Renee Repaints. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.